Peace out YouTube! Today I will give you a quick review of the newest version of Mavic Air, the Mavic Air 2. So let's do this! Alright guys, so I am super excited to talk to you about the latest model of the Mavic Air series, the Mavic Air 2. I have been flying this drone for a couple of months now, and the performance of this drone is just astonishing. The gap in quality and convenience between the Mavic Air 1 and the Mavic Air 2 is just something else.
Like this. Like this.
The Mavic Air 2 body is just a little bit bigger than the Mavic Air 1. It has obstacle avoidance sensor on the front, back and bottom. The remote is also a little bigger in comparison of the controller of the Air 1. Something that I like is that it has a phone holder on top with enough extension for any phone size. And also right inside of the phone holder, it has the cable that you can connect to your cell phone. And I think this is pretty convenient. You know, sometimes when you have the cables popping out of the controller, can be very annoying. DJI is working on making things easier for us, easier to use and easier to carry. Also, they added the thumbsticks at the bottom of the controller, so you can easily pop them in and pop them out. Alright, so when it comes to flying time and distance, it flies a little further than its previous model, and it has a better connection for safer flying. The Mavic Air 1 connects through Wi-Fi and allows you to fly 4 kilometers at 720 screen quality. But the Mavic Air 2 connects through OCUSYNC 2.0, allowing you to fly 10 kilometers at 1080p. The flight time also improved drastically. The Air 1 flies 21 minutes and the Air 2 allows you to fly 34 minutes, and trust me, those 30 minutes make a huge difference. The video capabilities are 4K at 60 frames per second and 1080p at 240 frames per second, which is pretty good for your slow motion footage. It also records at 8K, hyperlapse and time-lapse mode. The photo capabilities also improve drastically. Now you can take photos up to 40 megapixels, which is a huge benefit for drone photographers. The price of this drone is $799 US, and it comes only with the basic accessories. They also have the extra flight combo and costs $988 US, and it comes with extra batteries, extra propellers and extra cables. The last price is $1,049. This one is pretty much the same as the flight combo. The only difference is this one comes with a DJI Care in case that you crash it. In resume, if you're planning on buying a drone, I recommend you to get the Mavic Air 2. It is a good mid-range drone that has a lot of the specs of the professional drones from DJI. It is a perfect drone for beginners that want to learn how to pilot. But also, if you're a professional filmmaker, I think this is a perfect to-go or secondary drone. It is always good to have a backup in case something happens to your main drone. Alright YouTube, so we have reached the end of this video, but let me know in the comments down below if you're interested in buying the Mavic Air 2. Alright, so you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, and see you guys next time. Or not. This is a free world, people. Peace.
Like this.